So here we have the control unit, the ECU for an Espar hydronic heater for my Sprinter van. And I've got an error code that says that the blower motor for the furnace, like not the blows into the van, but the oxygen for the combustion chamber, it craps out. It says that it's an open circuit. Now what usually happens is now they've taken this thing, and of course, like so often manufacturers do, they fill it with potting compound so you can't actually access and or service the control unit. But apparently you can drill a hole in the back here and gain access to the pins where the problem is and be able to resolder it, and then you'll get connection again. So I'm going to put, I've got a hole saw here. The circuit board is very close to the surface here, so you can't really use the pilot bit, but I'm hoping that by putting it in the drill press, it'll hold it steady enough that I won't need the pilot bit, and I'll be able to get the hole there, dig out the potting compound, and resolder those pins. So we'll give that a try and see if that works. There we go. Okay, so this is what it looks like cleaned out, and don't really have enough light here, but this solder joint looks really crappy. This solder joint looks crappy. This doesn't look very good. You can see that's when they're nice and shiny like that, then you know it's usually pretty good, but these are all pretty dull, and I'm not sure which one of these actually usually causes the fault, but I'm going to resolder all of them and make sure. A little bit more crap to get out of there. Well, resoldered all of these. There's a row of them here. This one, across here, and across here, across here. They're kind of fatter than I like, but I didn't have any flux to clean them with, so the only flux you get is from the solder itself, and so you got to add more solder than you'd like. But anyways, it'll make contact, and then we're just going to fill the cavity now with some caulk, with some caulking, and tape it up, let it dry, connect it up, and we'll check to see if we hit the same error. That'd be pretty great if this was a fix for it. Look at that. It works. Hot exhaust coming out of there. Yeah. Just had to repair that circuit board, and it's good as gold.